Welcome to Teachment, the world's leading education infrastructure company, empowering over 2 crore educators and students across the globe. Today, I'm excited to present the Teachment X2 Digital Board, a state-of-the-art solution built for educators. With a powerful combination of next-generation hardware and intelligent software, including EduAI, our in-house AI teaching assistant integrated with our all-in-one whiteboard. This board is engineered to elevate every classroom experience. This demo video is divided into 4 parts. First, we'll explore the hardware features, followed by our all-in-one whiteboard solution, then dive into EduAI, our AI built for teaching, and finally, we'll wrap up with why you should choose Teachment X over any other digital board available in the market. This device comes with next-generation hardware designed specifically for classroom use. At its heart is the powerful RK3576 octa-core processor, which delivers twice the performance of most digital boards in the market. Let us see the Geekbench scores for our board compared to the other boards. This means smooth use of apps and zero lag even during intense multitasking. We also have a dedicated NPU for AI tasks. It is designed to handle AI tasks faster, making the panel more responsive and intelligent. Powered by Android 14, which is Google ETLA certified, so you get the Play Store and access to all the favorite apps. Also, get enhanced security with Google Play Protect. Our digital board also comes with a 48-megapixel AI camera with dynamic tracking, which automatically follows and focuses on the active speaker or the person moving in the classroom. It comes with an inbuilt 8-array microphone that captures your voice clearly from all the directions, even while you're walking. Only our Pro models comes with a camera and mic. Teachment X features a true 4K ultra high definition display with a 60 Hz refresh rate, delivering sharp visuals, vibrant colors, and high-quality images, and a blue light filter to protect your eyes during prolonged use of digital board. This screen is protected with a 3.2 mm toughened glass, featuring 9H hardness, making it scratch-resistant and exceptionally durable. With the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, it's built to handle all classroom tasks smoothly. Teachment X also has front-facing 40-watt speakers that are loud and clear even in the largest classrooms with up to 60 students. With the NFC card, teachers can just tap to unlock the board, which ensures safety. Also, they can log in into the Teachment app using the NFC card and get access to their previous lectures instantly. Each digital board comes with 2 styluses, which are magnetic and dual-sided. One end writes, the other erases or selects. Just pull it from the board and the whiteboard opens instantly. With dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0, you can connect instantly to the internet and other devices. It also comes with HDMI, USB 3, USB-C, and LAN connectivity. This board comes with the split screen feature, where you can easily split the screen to show your apps and lesson materials side by side. You can wirelessly cast from Windows, Mac, or Android, even share multiple screens at once for collaborative sessions. Teachment X comes with a 3-year on-site warranty and 365 days of customer support. Built to last 50,000 hours of screen life, Teachment X Whiteboard is designed with years of teacher insight and real classroom experience. Teachment X is the first in its segment to offer an auto-sync cloud-based whiteboard. Login can be done using multiple options: phone number, email, QR code, or even NFC cards. Users can instantly access and share the whiteboard as well by just scanning the QR code with a phone. All lessons are auto-recorded and saved for playback. This can be shared with students with just a simple click via email or WhatsApp. With auto title generation, organizing classroom sessions becomes effortless and easily accessible. The writing experience is unmatched with a fast 5 millisecond response time, dual tip stylus, and palm eraser, which makes it the smoothest interactive whiteboard in the market, creating a lag-free experience for the user. Smart tools enable you to select objects, copy, rotate, mirror, and correct with ease. Did you know you can solve even complex maths equations in just one click with our optical character recognition (OCR? It can recognize the handwriting and change into text or even search online. Draw 2D and 3D shapes with auto measurements, enabling accurate and intuitive diagrams. In the latest update, the auto measurement tool instantly shows angles and lengths for every shape you draw. Teachers can publish pre-planned lessons and lectures anytime and track digital attendance. With Smart Clipboard, teachers can save their best explanations, diagrams, or problems to reuse anytime. It's like building a personal library of top teaching moments. You can easily import PDFs or images and annotate, explain, and store them back into your whiteboard. Now, what if instead of a document, a video is required? Teachers can now upload videos from their device directly onto the whiteboard via the Teachment app. They can play, save, or remove the videos as needed with the latest update. Videos up to 100 MB are auto-uploaded to the study material section for easy student access.